Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to send Viber notifications. In order to send a notification to a Viber user, we need to make sure we have a Viber account and also it needs to be connected with any bot, right? Now, as you can see, we have a Viber account and this is connected with the bot. So let's open it. To send a notification, we need to go to any flow and there we need to create an action node. Go to action, go to notification, and here we can see Viber notification. With the Viber notification, first we have to select the account of the Viber. Second, we need to select the matching criteria of the user. We can use a user ID. So basically this is a Viber user ID or the email phone number we have inside the bot and the user NS. So let's say here we have this user. Here we can see the user ID. So basically this is the Viber ID. This is the user NS, and if you have any phone or email profile, then you can also use it for the filter of the user, right? So now here uh, inside this node we have a user ID, this one. So this is a different user from the one we have inside the bot. Okay. So let's say we are sending a notification to this user. So we need to go here, go to subflows, and we are sending them a notification flow. And on our UIs, we have received the notification. I will attach the screenshot for you. So this way, notification will work, and then you can send it to the users easily. If you have any questions related to the notifications, you can ask in comments. See you.